Hey, Katie here, and this is day 2 of 365 hairstyles where I try to do a different hairstyle every day for the year of 2020. Let's see, today we're building off of what we created yesterday, which was the double ponytail, and if you don't know what that is, I'll try and insert a clip, but it's right there, clip or an e-card, something. That was yesterday's video, but today we're going to try and do a helicopter bun, I believe is what most people call it, but you take a ponytail and you section it off in half, which with this method is already sectioned in half, and you twist them around each other and make a perfect spiral bun. So today we're starting off with Tokyo Nature Lab Perfect Shine Oil Mist, and this is for color and heat protecting, which is not something that I usually do, but I just like to use some oil in my hair to make it just a little bit more sleek looking. It grabs better. Yesterday we used the OY, this product, OE hair care. It's the rose hair and body oil. I like to switch it up just so my hair doesn't get used to a particular product. And then I do this, and it just makes it look nicer and sleeker. Nutrition to the hair, since I don't use conditioner or soap on it. It just helps it a lot better. Maintain the dreads. So once we got that worked through, we're just going to take 2 sections of hair, the one to the right, we're going to spin it towards the front, the one on the left we're going to move over while simultaneously moving the right to the left via the bottom of the base of the ponytail, and every time move your hair to the right side, you're going to twist the hair to the front, and we're just going to twist this again, going under the ponytail base and above the ponytail base, twisting the hair on the right. Now you don't want to do this too tight, because what will result is your bun creeping slowly forwards and not getting any bigger, just taller. And you're going to do this until your hair is fully twisted around your head, and tuck the ends in. And what the twisting does is it will help hold the hair in place. Now I'm just taking a 2x sized hairband and putting that around my bun. I find these work better for me, because otherwise I am snapping a regular sized hairband. The only time I can use those is when, like you saw in my other video, I'm putting up a ponytail or doing space buns. Now we're just going to fold under any loose hairs to help hide those. And there you have it. a nice, lovely helicopter bun. Keeping it simple these 2 days. Getting into it. Trying to figure out how these videos are going. Yeah, I hope y'all have had a great start to your new year, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.